Hello everyone. So I would like to change this sparrow. Yeah, this sparrow that I was create. So I would like to change this sparrow to fly this like this bird. Okay. So this one I would like to run PSD editor. The same method that I use with this bird. Okay, the same. So you can watch again. This sparrow I would like to add this head. So content manager head, click plus. Okay, call Sparrow. This head. Okay, and get back and right click to use body and wing and leg also. Okay, and I click here and just drag this OL image. So this one, OL image, this one, drag down like this and delete this one. Okay, and adjust this to control and a little rotate this. Okay, like that. Okay, and we start to change this. Okay, and close eye to see this. Click and drag down and open again. Delete this one. A wing, click wing, this one. Okay, and delete this one. And another wing, this one and this one. And delete this. Okay, and for leg, this one. To okay, and now I hide hip and wing this one. This to this. Okay, drag and okay, and delete that one. This one to this one. This to this. Okay, delete. And this one. Okay, ready all. So open hip, open this one. Okay, and open bone that we would like to correct this one. So this wing. Okay, and rotate this. I put here maybe like this. Okay, like that, and just drag it this one to there. Simple and easy. Okay, and another this one. So Control T and rotate this to there. Come to check this. Okay, click here and hide this. Okay, like that, and open hip. So this leg, bone one, so we find bone one, this one, bone one, this one. See, bone one, we rotate this, drag and put to this bone one here, and Control T, yeah, drag here and rotate. Okay, there. And this bone 4, yeah, this bone 4 here. So I drag, put there to there, see, point there, and Control T, yeah, put there and rotate. Simple and easy. So I hide this hip again. Could just correct bone to this leg. There. That's okay. This one. Okay, and show hip again. Okay, Control S. That I'll finish this tractor. Okay, and I delete this one, and also come to this one, delete. Okay, and click composer mode, and we add this head to this bird head. Okay, this sparrow, double click, and we resize this bird a little. Okay, this point I can put here. Okay, now I would like to test this head. Okay, look good. And flying animate, animal flying, open motion, click this one. I call object directed. So click transform, open transform, and we good to go. Good there. Okay, and now finish this one. So I would like to add this for you that you can download in this video as sample that you would like to learn. Okay, and flying sparrow. Okay, thank you. I hope this helped you and easy for you that you can create this new character from this video. Thank you. See you next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you not yet subscribed, please click subscribe and the bell also. Thank you. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.